This is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first and foremost, you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, then at the search bar type in the TurboVPN. That is the name of the app that we will use to connect our VIVO to VPN. Now, once the app is ready, we can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the green continue button. Then skip the set, and finally, in order to establish the VPN connection, tap at the caret icon you have over here. Accept, or rather confirm, the connection request that you'll get. Then let this cute rabbit do its magic. And well, apparently the rabbit was not capable of doing such magic, but that's fine. Or actually, oh, that's surprising. So never mind, the VPN connection went through and we are now connected. It just usually happens a lot faster, so I thought that this time something went wrong completely, but well, that's whatever. So as you can see by the key indicator, and as you can tell by the interface over here, we were successfully connected to VPN. So now I can reconnect myself from well, the UK to, let's say, Netherlands if needed. And in order to disconnect from VPN, you gotta simply tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.